What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another guide. In this quick video, I'll show you how to get more gear slots in Hogwarts Legacy. If I hit I to open up my inventory, or gear rather, click anything here, you'll see that I have 14 out of 20 items. In order to get more item space here, I'll obviously need to destroy some items or sell them, but instead of doing so, we can actually raise the limit of the amount of items we can hold. That way we can quest for far longer before we have to return to a shop to make some use of our throwaway items. How do we do so? Well, we need to complete Merlin Trials. If I have a look at the map here and head out to the world map, you'll see these icons here that look like leaves. These are Merlin Trials. When we finish these, we'll get points towards upgrading our inventory. If you need help with Merlin Trials, in the description down below, you'll find a guide playlist for all of these Merlin Trials. When you've completed at least 2 of them, you can head across to Challenges at the very top and then into Exploration. Under Exploration, you'll find Complete Merlin Trials. If we click on any one of these, we'll claim the reward, and of course the next one is 6, and so on. It'll get more difficult and less rewarding the more of them you do. However, checking my gear once more, you'll see that now I have 14 out of 24. It's 4 more slots, so it's not huge, but at least it's something. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Hopefully this one helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!